Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that you can get your Twitter link. So to begin with, go for twitter.com website, use some browser that you have if that's the mobile device that you're using, then log into your Twitter account, then open your profile like so, and simply at the URL field copy the link, thus URL, to your Twitter account like so. So now the link, the share link to your Twitter profile has been successfully added to clipboard, and from here you can just send it out to whoever or through whatever you were looking to send it through. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.